Hey, what is up, guys? So, third take. I've already tried recording 2 takes before. They didn't work out, so third time lucky. I will talk about a few things that I did today and share them in this video. Some new things I've gotten into, and also recapping the old. So starting off with Sin City. This is still very, very new. It's 2 weeks since they did a launch. So I was waiting for the price to stabilize on CoinMarketCap because I knew that it was on sale on Copper launch. Excuse the background noise there. And it was on sale for 0.07. That's what it launched at. So I was waiting for the price to stabilize before getting in, and after seeing, a big pump and a dump, I thought, yep, that's a good time to get in. So I got in today, and yeah, it's very easy. What you do is you go to make sure you type in the right address, staking.sin.city, and connect your MetaMask wallet, and it's on the Ethereum network, so do be aware that the gas fees are very high. So if you're going to buy the SYNR token, SYNR token, you will need extra in ETH sitting in your wallet to pay for the gas fees. But how you get around transferring, paying for the transferring to MetaMask, how you get around that is that you can actually just send, when you're on the Ethereum mainnet, is that you send it to a stable coin on here using this same address. So if I sent 1,000 USDC, I could send it to this address here, receive it in here, and then just swap it from USDC to the SYNR token because you just add it here. So then you forego huge gas fees sending it to MetaMask. So it only cost me $5 to send USDC, but to buy the SYNR token cost me about $40 in ETH. So just so you're aware of the fees. But I do think this is going to be a great game, and that's why I bought some tokens and also have an NFT in it, because I actually can't wait to play it myself once it releases. I think it'll be great to play this game. It's got big backers behind it. I think I did do a previous video on it when it was an ICO stage. So big backers, and it just looks to be a really exciting game. Yeah, so you can always read up about it here yourself. But the main thing is it's a free play-to-earn action-adventure RPG game in which the players acquire, manage, trade, and expand their empires and syndicates. And yeah, you can grind in daily events, PvE, PvP, and syndicate events such as cross-chain mafia wars. So, you can live out your entire mafia fantasies in a place like this. So, but I do like that it has building business and earning assets, and yeah, it'll be good once it's released. I can't wait to play it. So that's what I got in today. I also got into another token as well called USV, Universal Store of Value, which Tai Lopez is behind. I'm pretty sure Alex Becker is as well. Might be wrong, but yeah, Tai Lopez is definitely behind this. And he's someone that I've followed for a long time, since he did that Here in My Garage video. Yeah, ever since that day, I have been following him, and yeah, he's always been saying some really good stuff. So I bought some of the USV and I staked it. And you can do it on any chain. You can do it on Ethereum, Polygon, Avalanche, or Binance Smart Chain. Connected it to your MetaMask wallet. And yeah, it's pretty simple to buy USV as well. Connect up your wallet and then approve it to stake it. And the reason I've done that is so that I can get into the whitelist, where in order to become part of it, you have to stake at least 0.01 USD on any of the chains and become level 8 in the chat to be added to the whitelist. So the reason why I want to be in the whitelist is to get an NFT, because I find what Ty does valuable, and would like to be part of it. So that's another thing I've joined today, and I'll put the link to his Discord group below with my code so that you can redeem it here. Once you join, you go here to redeem the code that I've given you. And that's how you can join and be part of it too. But check out, definitely check out the, how to join the whitelist and read the instructions. So that's the second project. Very exciting. Now let's talk about previous projects that I'm in and how they're going. So the animal farm. Now Forex Shark, the developer, has just recently posted this. So it's very exciting, exciting times. Now I won't read the whole thing in detail because the main thing is that what I got from what he said here, you can read it yourself, is that he is looking at the long-term sustainability of this project. And to me, that's why I'm so bullish and why I'm doubling down on my position in it, because of what he's saying, that essentially it's a very long-term project. And I'm also excited because looking at the price of pigs at the moment, we are in a very bullish pattern. To me, a triangle like this is always very bullish. I do feel it's about to break to the upside, but again, I could be wrong, though in the past this pattern has always seen a breakout to the upside, so it's looking very bullish on the 4-hourly. So today I didn't withdraw my earnings. I just reinvested them into pigs again. So I'm building up my portfolio. I just have to connect my wallet first. So I connected my wallet, and I'm just building up my pigs reserves because I am believing in this in the long term. So very exciting, and the farms are just earning away. This has been earning consistently now since launch for a whole week. About it was up nearly 3% a day. It might have dropped a bit, but this one is a very consistent earner. And then the dog pool as well, very consistent earner. I just withdrew everything today and put it into the pig pen. So very exciting. This is a long-term thing for me. And as you can see, you can stake your stable coins for dogs, and on this page it's just for dogs. Then on farms it's for pigs, so it's good to own them both. But the main thing that you want is the pigs, so building that up is the main objective on the animal farm. So I'm just going to take a sip of water. That is way better. My voice was sounding a little bit hoarse. So the very last thing I wanted to talk about is the drip community faucet and how that is going. And obviously it is still going great. And I'm so happy with the stability of the drip token. So at the moment, if we look at the chart, we're looking also at a similar kind of retracement where it's looking like it's getting into a triangle shape. However, yeah, it could do the same thing it did here, potentially, who knows. I'm just looking to see if this support here holds. But yeah, looking very strong, due for a turnaround any moment. So anyhow, that's been returning me 1% a day consistently. As you can see, I haven't withdrawn or recompounded these latest earnings, but yeah, that's going great. I have added to my deposit and I'm slowly growing this number because I believe in the long-term aspect of this as well. Yeah, so with yield farming, it's about the long haul, finding the good farms and really milking them, like having cows and just milking them, basically. To me, that's what I'm doing with yield farming. So yeah, very exciting. And then I also have some exciting news, I think, to finish this video, and I wanted to share with all of you guys. And that is I am officially on the Banter team, Crypto Banter team. Officially. It's now official. I was in pre-graduation phase that whole time. I didn't even realize. But eventually now I've graduated to being in the main group where I can chat to, the big boys. So very excited to announce that. Now, so obviously, they get access to all my alpha because I do this 24/7. This is my life. I'm a degen. So, and then I obviously get access to their alpha. So it's a win-win. It's great. I'm very excited. So super, super exciting announcement there. So I think I'll just keep it to that with this video. I'm very excited, very happy, and I'll, continue to do videos anyway. The next one will be the cybersecurity one that I did promise, because that is just so important when you are in crypto. You have just so got to know all the traps and what not to do. So I'll start off with recording my first one this weekend. I actually finally have time away from the world and kids to myself, so I will be able to record one, and I'll see if I can't record them all this weekend. So that is all, and cheers. Please like and subscribe, and I'll keep posting videos. Thanks for watching.